everyone, and thank you for watching. Today I wanted to do a full face of Dollar Tree products. So here's my receipt. I got everything at Dollar Tree. You can see the total is about $15. I have nothing on my face, just my normal skincare, no primer. I'm hopeful. A lot of these products are LA Colors, which are pretty good products for the price range. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with the LA Colors Liquid Makeup in Natural. Now they didn't have a huge selection of colors, so I'm just gonna take some. Actually, I'm just gonna put it on my, I'm just gonna take some on my fingertips and oh no, oh no. This is bad. Okay, we're just gonna blend this in. So this product has barely any coverage. I think it's a little too light for me. It feels a little bit sticky. Let's move on to concealer. So I got the Be Pure Hydrating Under Eye Concealer in Fair. They only had 3 colors. Love you. They only had 3 colors, medium, medium tan, and fair. Normally I would go for medium, but it was too dark for me. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my fingertips and see how this goes. That's what we're working with. Okay, this product actually feels pretty good. Oh, baby.
You're doing great.
Thank you, baby. Okay, maybe we'll add a little bit here and here.
What is this?
You can play with that.
What is it?
Okay, so the coverage of this product is okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It feels a little oily. Okay, this product, better than the foundation. Not great. So they didn't have any setting powder, so we are just gonna move straight into a liquid blush. This is from Ione, and it is in the color Rosette, I believe. So let's give it a shake and just go in. Ooh, looks like got a little messy there.
Mommy got one.
This is really intense. Let's see if we can blend it out. Oh my, oh my.
Mommy, why did you say oh my?
Because look at how pink it is. It's crazy, I look like a clown.
You look like a clown.
Okay, so now I look sunburnt. So let's see if we can fix this. I'm gonna go back with a little bit of the concealer to try and even it out.
If you want to see my mommy's makeup, you gotta click right here.
I think we got it as good as it's gonna be. Next, I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors bronzer. Oh, I also got these little brushes. It doesn't have a lot of pigment, but it's not so bad. So next I'm going to use this little LA Colors eyeshadow palette. It is a 12 color palette. I might be using this little guy for my under eye, but let's see. I did get these 2 brushes as well. First, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown in the bottom corner. And then I'm gonna go in to, how about this little shimmery one right here? It's like a bronzy copper. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with this gold color right here. I'm gonna use the same little flat brush and just get right in the inner corner. Bring it up. Then I'm gonna go in with the white for a highlight on the brow bone. Okay, not so bad. Let's see, now I'm gonna take this little tiny guy and just do under my eye. So they had no eyeshadow pencil. So I'm gonna use one of these eyeshadows in this palette. Maybe this taupey color right here. Now we're gonna do some eyeliner. Got the LA Colors liquid eyeliner in black. Shake it up, see what this looks like. Ooh, it's super tiny. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm pretty impressed with this little eyeliner. It's super thin and I was able to get a very thin line. So far this is the best product from Dollar Tree. For fun, I got this little glitter eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what this is about. Cute. Oh, I really like this. Mascara. So this is the LA Colors Big Lash Full in black, I believe. It doesn't say, but I think it's black. I love the applicator, so let's see what it's got. It's giving nothing. Mix it up a little bit. They did have a big range of mascaras. I chose this one because I saw the applicator style that I really like. But maybe with a few coats. Okay, so mascara is okay. After a bunch of coats, I mean, if you have to and you're in a pinch, it's fine. It's not great, it's fine. And then lastly, we have lips. This is LA Colors Plump Gloss in Call Me, which I saw this at the Dollar Tree and I was like, let me film a whole look. It's actually really pretty. Okay, I'll be right back. So to wrap it up, a lot of the products were not great. You could see the foundation is patchy a little bit. The blush, very pigmented. But this little glitter eyeliner was so cute. I'll definitely use this again. This lip gloss has to be the best product there. I'm gonna go pick up other colors. This is awesome. This matte bronzer, honestly not bad. In a pinch, if you need a bronzer and there's a Dollar Tree, it's fine. It's buildable. It doesn't have great pigmentation, but it's not bad. This eyeliner, I am impressed. Very thin, super cute. And this eyeshadow palette, it really did the job. So go Dollar Tree. Everything you saw in this video today was $15. So if you're on a budget and you want to get your makeup done, go for it. If you like this video, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. If you want to see another Dollar Tree full face, let me know because there was a ton of products there to choose from. Thank you so much for watching.
Is that my turn?
You want to say something?